Now, being an exterior cleaning, window cleaning, roof cleaning company, we obviously use ladders a great deal in our company. It's company policy to always follow the OSHA guidelines on there for ladder usage. And it's also a further company guideline that we always have a crew of at least 2 people whenever a ladder is being used. I always like to have someone footing the ladder or holding the base of the ladder. Also, in case there was a problem, somebody fell off or the ladder slipped down if it was incorrectly placed, the person now on the ground can help the person that's stranded on the roof. And in a perfect world, these rules are always adhered to. Unfortunately, we don't live in a perfect world. Sometimes I find myself out on a job and I don't have someone to go and hold the ladder for me. So we take this crowbar trick to help give footing to the ladder. So at least the bottom of the ladder won't kick out on me. Because a lot of times that's the cause of an accident. This isn't going to solve every accident, every ladder problem out there, but this will keep the ladder from kicking out at the bottom. Now, statistically, in America, there are 500,000 ladder accidents each year. That's 500,000 ladder accidents, and 300 of these accidents actually result in death. So it's really scary, and there's a really high, alarmingly high number of ladder accidents. OSHA also takes a very grim view of ladder accidents. OSHA doesn't believe that any ladder accident should ever happen. They believe that all of these accidents are preventable with proper ladder placement, with proper equipment, and proper ladder use. Now, this little tip here is just so easy, but you take a small crowbar, you could also use a flat bar or a wrecking bar, and put it over the bottom rung of the ladder. You're going to pound this in with a hammer or a small sledge, and this is going to keep the bottom of this ladder from kicking out on you. Now, of course, you're not going to be able to do this on concrete. And you should always be aware of underground electric or pipes. If you meet some resistance whenever you're pounding into the ground, stop immediately. You don't want to break anything that could be hidden underground. Again, I would much prefer to have someone there footing the ladder. But in case you don't have someone there to foot a ladder for you, this little trick right here can keep the ladder from slipping out on the work surface. Hey, thanks so much for your time and watching this video. Hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join the Spray Wash Academy channel here for more helpful tips and advice on pressure washing.